Cleveland, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor Bond. What is the Cleveland, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor Bond? A Cleveland, Ohio sidewalk contractor bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors performing sidewalk construction, repair, or replacement work within the city. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local building codes, safety regulations, and permit requirements while completing the project. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations or causes damage due to non-compliant work, the bond can provide compensation to affected parties or the city. Why is Cleveland, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor Bond required? The bond is required to help protect the public and the city of Cleveland from financial loss caused by poor workmanship, unfinished projects, or code violations. It ensures that sidewalk contractors operate responsibly and comply with municipal standards designed to maintain safe pedestrian pathways. Requiring a bond also helps the city verify that contractors are financially accountable before they are allowed to perform regulated sidewalk work. How does Cleveland, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor Bond works? The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the City of Cleveland obligee, and the surety company that issues the bond. If the contractor violates the terms of the bond, a claim may be filed, and the surety may compensate the city or affected party up to the bond amount if the claim is valid. The contractor is ultimately responsible for repaying the surety for any paid claims, which encourages compliance and professional performance. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.